guys, today we are playing Ranked Roblox Rivals.
Yeah, we are going to try hard in Roblox Rivals Ranked, and we are going to get a nice rank today.
Yes, we are going to try to at least get a silver rank instead of being stuck at the bronze ones.
rank. Okay, so
Let's
start. Okay,
Okay, I'm starting because you're.
and we are gonna be doing them because then we can't 1v1 each other. Because if we 1v1, I would surely win from her.
How do we throw the snowballs?
Where are the snowballs?
There, come.
Oof, bruh.
Yeah.
Dun, it just opened. Waiting for players to...
What?
I hate this thing. I always hate
See,
this
the
bro.
snowballs are here.
Ew, let me show. Oh. I might have it.
Never try to throw it on me.
Yeah. First I used to know how to. But now I do not.
Well, that sounds like a you problem.
Well, that sounds like a you problem too because you don't know either.
Yeah.
So I guess you can stop yapping and try to focus on the game.
Oh my
But
god,
it
there's
doesn't.
only 2 players again and it's going to say dual cancelled.
Exactly, bro.
Why does it
Why
teleport us when the...
Bro, now 2 people came. Now they joined.
Okay, now I think we can do. And everyone is a mobile or a tab.
Mobile player, you mean?
Mobile or a tab player.
Yup.
Okay, yes, hang on this. Yes!
Finally, guys.
It's 7,
What if I leave?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start!
Yup.
Okay, I want the construction. No, I want the arena.
L. Bro, he banned the arena, not me. Sounds like a you problem.
Okay, remove the...
Who did that?
Remove the bow. I did not do anything. We have left.
You do it.
I'll do this. Flame
Yes.
thrower. I did... No, I'll do this one.
Guys, who do you think is
Oh,
gonna win?
thank goodness I have my good
I have my
old
sniper.
sniper.
Dagger.
I always choose random
Yes.
items. I just do random because
I'll take my subspace strip mine, guys.
And then you're
Bro,
going to
do
go
you...
to the crane.
Bro, yeah. Do you even... Bro, I want to make you learn how do we even go on the... Oh my god. Am I there or am I
Okay, I
here?
killed one person.
Let me get... Whee!
He was invisible. Okay, where's the other person? Is he? He was just camping at his base. And
Bruh, you did not even let me do anything. Like I care about that because I'm just getting free wins. And
Yeah, and I'm using auto aim. I really
Guys.
because I don't want to lie. But I'm only using it at 25. Oh my god, he killed himself. Yay.
guys, not
He was
gonna lie, even I use auto aim.
Yeah. He was trying to be cool by using... Why does everyone have a snipey here? Oh no, he's gonna kill you.
Guys, I survived that.
How do you even climb a crane? Tell me, please.
But let me shoot something, man.
Bro,
Do.
bro, how did you miss that shot?
Can
What
I-
will a subspace strip mine? Wait, a subspace strip mine is used to be used in a subspace.
Do-
First aim, then shoot. Yeah, nah, he's gonna shoot you. Shoot.
Bro! I was pressing!
Yeah.
Auto
Okay.
aim does not even works that good,
How
guys.
do
Not
I
gonna
even?
lie.
How do I even go? Oh wait, I need to go to daggers and fists.
Yeah.
To
Look,
get
first
it
then you then do this and then you just do then you use the double jumps of them.
But how did you get a boost? Subspace tripman.
Nah, I just slided. Then I used my daggers and then I just double jumped
Why
with my
does this
fish.
person keep on dying because of Clyde?
I got one.
And we won.
Oh.
The other guy died by his own. Look at this, then this, and then Okay, this and random. Oh, I got a smoke grenade. Let's go.
Okay, follow my lead. No. You had to first slide, then look at
Oh,
my
I was
screen.
sliding in the air, then it made me crouch.
You're kind of dumb.
No.
Dang it, guys. We gotta
Oh,
log in. We gotta log in.
He's unranked.
Oh, yeah, bet.
How are we losing to an unranked guy?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm going to follow.
Because
your
there are
lead.
ranked.
I'm going to follow your lead. No, not even doing it.
Yeah, they both fell together.
Ah, there was no crane and I just killed myself. I was like, oh,
Now we have.
the crane is gonna be there.
Look.
But then it was actually a ship. How are you down there? I also want to get down there. Yippee. Go! Wait, why use the subspace with mine? And you know I cannot do that. Okay, go!
We're just fine. No. I'm dead.
You did not tell me what to do!
You don't climb the crane. You're a noob. I'll teach you later.
No, I'm gonna do it now. Or else you're just gonna die. So I'll be the person who does. Ah! No. Get out of here.
Bruh.
Why are you doing?
No, I did that by mistake. That's not my problem. That is not my problem.
This guy is a cat.
Oh, that was you.
Oh my god. Wait, what if they're on the crane?
Bro, he's inside that container. Look. Oh, he
came out.
I died. I'm dead.
I can see that. Okay,
You-
this guy is hacking.
hacking. These guys hacking. Let's go,
This
guys.
guy is hacking. Might be my
I'll
last.
just do this, guys, and then I'll just jump into the air.
With my mall and run.
And then I'll
I got
do
no, I
this and
wanted
then
a grenade.
again jump in the air and bruh.
This guy
I
loves
use-
to go inside there. And I killed him.
Good girl.
Oh, he's there. He was behind the crane. And then he was waiting to kill me. He's right
behind
there. He's right there. Did you see him?
Oh, he's behind the crane.
No.
There.
No, he's not there. Oh my god, what is wrong with you? Go forward. He's. Just find him. You'll find him. It's easy to find that guy.
Where?
Just. I don't know where he is now. He switched places. Just kill him. Oh,
Bruh.
no.
Bro,
no,
I always hate this. I always hate this. They just come from behind.
Yeah.
Click
I
on
lost.
rematch.
I lost. Oh,
Bruh.
wait, my arrow saved me. Yo. Okay, we have to
I have
play
plus
this.
0. Okay.
What?
Guys, we are kind of trash at this. Not gonna lie, cause Shreya always die.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, this mosquito is it's going to be the last day of this mosquito. You're died, I see it.
Yeah.
First try.
Let's
First
go, guys.
Okay, this guy is trying to send me a
Bye.
friend request to be friends, but
Same.
hell no.
He did. I also declined him.
What?
I guess we had to accept that. That's why he maybe left.
He's sad.
I'll just take anything and try to practice.
I have every.
I was just trying to shoot with the paintball gun. Nothing else, guys. Yep, it's first try. It's a first try. I bet it's a first.
What?
It's a first try. I said
Okay. What happened to you?
something in the universe. Let's go.
I want battle.
I'm sorry.
I wanted battleground.
Surely you did want.
No. I hate you. I'm going to do
I
this.
did not did sniper. What did you ban? You banned crossbow.
Yeah.
I'll use RPG.
Yeah, no, I'll use my burst rifle or my assault or
Bro, RPG is W.
and
People
my
who
shot.
likes RPG, people who's a RPG spammer, yeah.
Yeah, this is spammer.
Bro, we all have the same ranks.
Yeah. No one.
Bruh, where are they?
Okay, RPG, the one thing I hate about it is that it's a
It just makes you fly away in the
close
universe.
range weapon.
Now you can also.
Die
I got one.
dumb guy.
You're very low, you know that.
I know that. I'm on 0 HP. Sorry, I was on 10. He's on 100.
I'm on 110.
Okay, then kill him. Kill him!
Bruh, why is he not getting damage?
Yeah, he's like immune.
Oh my god.
Your aim was just kind of off in that.
Shut up,
Why
Shreya.
don't you use your daggers also?
Why not?
Use them.
Hoo-yah!
Okay. Oh wait, you can backstab him. You just forgot that. Okay.
Hui. Let's go. Got him.
He was little mid-air and you killed him, wow.
Yeah, because I'm a pearl, unlike you, Jumbo.
Okay, I cannot use my RPG because it was so bad in the last. You know what I mean? And,
RPG was not bad. I guess you were.
No. Okay, sorry. Mine.
Guys,
ball
hell.
And my.
Okay, that guy also copied my RPG. Ah! Ooh, I'm at 50 health. Help me, one. Bro, I died. Bro, what are you doing?
I was having.
Where are you aiming? At least scope if you're using long range.
I'm not using long range. Get out of here, you dumb guys.
Bruh. Why are you wasting? I knew
Okay.
you would lose your way trash at this game.
I do not like RPG now.
Then I guess it was fun to ban the sniper.
Yeah, because I'm good with sniper.
Yeah, that's why I did that.
So you want us to lose?
I guess so. I do.
Oh, I did headshot and he's dead. No, you will get the kill now.
Nah, I got one.
Yeah, and the other one is on 50 health. Oh no, he's not.
Bruh. Now he is. I hit him once and then he was on.
Okay, I have to lock in. I'm sorry. Now I'm going to lock.
I just used my assault now. I'll just use assault. Assault is a try hard.
Yeah, but you better not die, please.
Bruh. Bro, that guy knifed me.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Bro, that guy is just targeting me now.
Okay,
Bruh.
because I got half health because of the Molotov.
We are trash.
Yeah, against these guys.
I don't know why did I ban the sniper.
Yeah, why did you ban it?
Why not?
You should have not.
That's what I'm
Okay, this guy is just doing RPGs to send him into space. Okay,
I got one.
I killed one.
Oh, I got bro. Bro, why do you keep on dying?
Bro, I killed one and then the other guy killed me. He killed us at the same time. Okay, we have to do good in this battle.
I'm Shreya, I'm very dumb.
Oh shit. This guy is gonna kill me. This guy likes to kill people. He's a killer. He's a murderer. Okay, these guys. Why do these guys also have to team and kill me together? These guys do not like to die to this. See, it's just like that. Why are you camping?
Why not?
Okay, I hate that. You're gonna die.
Bruh, let me
It was a
reload.
good game. It was a good game.
Got one.
Okay, nice.
And
Oh my god, the Molotov is killing ya!
bro, where is this guy? These guys keep on camping.
Yeah, they love to hide.
Rematch them. Click on
I
rematch.
did. One guy did it.
Let's go.
You are the one! Okay.
No, I did that.
Okay, I want station.
I did not ban station. I banned. I don't know what did I ban. I like control.
Please do not ban.
I did not ban that. You banned it.
I did not ban anything. See, those two were of ours.
Yeah, we were purple.
Yeah, they
I did
banned
not
it.
ban anything.
Okay, let's do crossbow.
Dumb.
Crossbow.
Crossbow.
And then my daggers or my shotty. Daggers or shotty?
Won't you know that?
Please tell.
You have so much. Shorty.
And then I'll do my, I think, chainsaw and then...
Bro, can these guys stop sniping me?
Wait, They don't even have. Oh, they're doing headshot. Let's do our knife. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. They did not just.
Bro, don't step on these subspace ship mine. I'm placing them down here so when they come and then they'll get blown up.
Oh, that actually happens.
Yeah. Bruh, look, one just got blown up right now. Don't you, bruh, look, I told you.
So cool.
Bro, he stepped on both of my trip mines and then died.
Wow.
Bruh, that was so cool.
Wait, what if the other guy is on the crane?
He fell down.
I can see him. I'm going to kill him with my crossbow. Oh shit. He's down here. I just know it.
Then,
Yeah, he's coming out. Danger spotted. Why is he not coming out? He's such a bad person. He's camping. Oh, he's up now. He's up now. I just saw him.
bro, can this guy stop dummy running?
Okay, he's trying to.
I got him 37.5 low. Bro, I died. Ooh, good.
That shot.
Let's go, bro.
Yeah,
let's
shorty
go.
was
Let's
so
go.
good.
Shorty is W, guys.
Yeah, shorty was so good. I just spammed it and then he died. Don't.
Yup, that was auto aim, but who cares?
That was not auto aim.
Yeah, that was.
Bro, how do I do
Let
auto?
me poise this over here and let me
Oh,
poise
this
this
guy's
one.
using an RPG. I do not like RPG. These guys always.
Whatever, stay over there and they have to come. Brr, 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 brr. Brr, brr, brr. Come over here, bro. Come over here, bro. No.
Yeah, you're gonna die. And one guy died.
And I also died. Bro, place subspace ship mines over there. So one of them, they should walk on it. Don't walk on it. You would be able to see them.
He's coming from.
You can see them, right? Bruh, no. वीडियो मम्मा क्या है वीडियो बन रही है Bruh. Look, my subspace ship mine is good now.
Yes. Nice.
You should push it up.
They were kind of blind.
No, they can't see our subspace.
Oh. Oh, now they're coming.
Don't stand on them.
Okay, now then. I'm not even standing. They both are. You're really low.
I eliminated them with the subspace. How do you know I'm very low? I have 25
Because I'm
health.
your teammate and we can see.
Right.
Okay, let me just snipe. Ah! Okay, I'm also very low now.
I got him with my crossbow.
You did headshot? 75?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, this might be my last.
Bruh. Let me just place one here, place one here, and then. No, bro.
Oh, I did headshot.
Now they're just.
And again headshot.
Now they are just scared to come over here because of our subspace ship mines.
I did 2 headshots.
I'll put one over here and I'll just.
Oh shit. This guy loves to spam RPGs.
Don't stand on the subspace ship mines. I bet you can see them.
I know I can. Ah! But I fell down. Yo.
Bro, I also fell down.
Yeah, and I'm gonna die now. Okay,
No good. Oof.
Oh, I did him.
That was auto aim.
Yeah, I know that.
Bruh. Bruh. Let's go. They're asking for rematch. I did it.
When did they ask? Okay, we won the station.
Last round you said you wanted dimensions.
Okay, please. Hang on. Okay, our turn. We can remove anything.
Bro.
I made a square. Be happy.
Sniper, daggers,
Knife
and
and my-
subspace ship mine.
and my grenade. The grenade is
You are not allowed to walk on mine, bro. I won't allow you.
okay.
Bruh, so I can snipe them.
Get out of here, you ugly guy. Oh, my shorty killed this guy. 150 health.
Yeah.
Okay, the shorty is good.
Bruh, I died with the daggers.
Are you kidding me? He killed you with daggers. Okay, daggers is not a good way to die.
I know, right?
And XP.
Who killed? Your grenade.
Oh! Wait!
Yeah.
That was good.
Was it?
Yes. I killed both of the guys.
With?
Whether my-
Can you leave something to kill for me too?
Well, he was hiding and he was trying to camp. And I do not like campers.
Me, holy appetite.
Okay, he's up there. I just know it. Get out of here, you.
I 50'd. Bruh. Bruh, he's just running now.
Yeah, you love to run now. Look at this guy is running.
Oh my god, can you stop?
Okay, he's just running when he feels he's in danger.
You died, I know that.
His aim was totally off.
Bro!
Bro, stop using a sniper. This is not a good moment for sniper. If you just gonna teleport and done. And he has a snipe. See, of course, use the knife. Okay, where is he now? Knife. Where did he go? Oh. I hit the dimension map. Oh my god, of course you're gonna use your sniper. And you're gonna die now.
Oh! Bro, that was not my problem. He just launched me off.
And he killed himself. See, you're not doing good.
Holy Apatron. I have 50 damage. Eh.
Okay, I'm gonna kill this guy first now.
Nah, bro, get out. Let me kill. Nah. Give me the KO. Give me the KO.
I killed him.
I'll just jump off, bro.
Bro, why will you jump? No! Why did you do that?
Why not?
Look at that. Okay, he's doing that thing again.
I don't care. Come on, bro. You can kill her.
You're trying to make him kill me.
I'm demoting you so you get
Okay,
motivated. Look, I demoted you. That's why you got motivated.
So that did not make sense.
Shut up. It all made. Yay,
Oh,
winner,
yeah,
yay!
That spammer,
That runner.
that runner got rage baited because of that.
Bro, I fell.
Why do you keep on falling?
Why not? Because you just want to do all the work like I care about that.
See?
Thanks.
Okay, this guy is a dagger spammer.
I don't care.
Bro, you have to help me.
Why should I? You just want to do all the work.
You're not helping, that's why I'm doing all the work.
Holy Apatron.
Holy Apatron, yeah, so thank you. Dude. Okay, he fell. I killed him.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, it's a 2v1, so we are gonna win. Oh, this guy is using the other guy tricks. Oh my god, this fully runner.
I'll help you, Rubber.
Oh, he fell out.
No, he
Let's
did
just
not.
shoot this out of here. Okay, I see him. Oh, okay. They both are going.
I got him.
Oh, yeah. Wait, you were using your RPG?
Yeah, RPG is good.
RPG. Never mind.
RPG.
Okay, that was sauce.
Guys, she just thinks everything's sus when it's even not.
This guy was trying to hold on like player 256.
Yay! Let me just jump off.
Yay, we won. You
Look.
only did 100 damage.
I care.
Okay, I only need a bit more to get bronze 2.
I need a bit more to get bronze 3.
How much is it for bronze? Bronze.
Bonds, yeah, surely it's. How much is it for Bonds 3, guys?
Yeah,
How much is it for Bonds?
How much is it?
I don't know, 400.
Oh, for bronze 2 it
I have
is
like 350,
200.
360 right now.
I have a 137.
L.
Why?
Why not? Guys, don't underestimate it.
You are so bad. Oh wait, first try again. Yeah,
What do you want? Tell me.
I want the station.
You did arena. I did not even touch it.
I did not do arena. Okay, I want.
I did not look. We are yellow. We are yellow, bro. They banned it.
Okay, then remove this both.
Bro, the hell?
I always remove them both. Why is that guy not?
Crossbow time.
I guess these guys just wanted our crossbow sight. So
Yeah, crossbow is kind of good.
yes, I like crossbow.
Crossbow can spam better than
Sniper.
sniper. Sniper takes a lot of time.
To reload.
Yeah.
You understand.
I know, no? I'm a better guy.
Okay, let me just break these windows.
Yeah.
When I was a Ruby,
I've headshotted one. One more headshot.
he killed me with
I got one. I got one. I got one.
he killed me with a shotgun.
Bruh.
See?
I don't know where the hell was he.
Yeah, the shotgun is bad. How is he killing?
Somehow.
Yeah, he is definitely happy. I love to call people hackers.
Why?
Because then I feel proud that I found hackers.
Same. Not gonna lie. I like.
This guy's here. I found you. Yeah, you're gonna get.
Oh no! I died with the crossbow. Wow, you girl, you're so slow. You're dying. Oh my god, girl.
I know, right? Shut up.
You're like, I know, right?
Okay, now I'm not gonna go there because the guy keeps on coming there.
Why were you going there?
Because I thought that was a safe place and I can shoot.
Thank God you did not say why not. Oh my god!
What happens?
Can't these guys stop doing that?
I see you.
I got him.
No. What?
Where is he?
He killed us with a knife.
What? Killed us, no killed you.
No. He's gonna kill you any second. Why don't
And
you use your knife? You forget you have a knife.
where the hell is he?
He's hiding now because he did damage to you and then he's gonna be like time over and then you're gonna lose. I might have just predicted the whole scenario. Okay, where is he actually? Wait, what if he's in the dual zone and he dies? Go back to dual zone. Okay, I hear shooting. I hear shooting.
Call him.
Why are you sticking your head out when he can just headshot you? I hear footsteps. Okay, how are you so bad at aiming?
Bruh.
That was so off. And he did not realize you were here. See, use something else.
Bruh. I'm too bad. I quit.
Your aim is bad.
Thanks. Sounds like a compliment to me.
Okay, which one? This side or this side?
Jumping side.
Okay. Guys, it's jumping side time.
I got him.
Oh no, I'll just shoot him first and then you take the win then.
L.
Oh, you're trying to kill me. Get out of here. Yo.
What the? Can you see him?
Yeah. Yeah!
Good girl. Good
Okay,
girl.
shut up. Don't call me good girl.
Bad girl. You literally. Stop.
You stop.
Nah, I won't.
Then I won't either. Oh, I'm gonna step on your thingy. I cannot go up.
Eh.
It killed me. Somehow.
Thank God. Dumby, you're a dumby, you're so dumb.
This guy.
Guys, Shreya so dumb by Q21. She ate the wonton fat like a Kim Jong. I died.
Wow, that was such a good line.
Shreya so dumb by Q21. She ate the wonton fat like a Kim Jong.
Bro, it looks
She
nice.
tried to make me friend, but they call him Ching Chong.
I think you kinda got it wrong.
You mean right. Haha.
Why do you always get the kill?
Why not?
I'm supposed to get the kill. Oh, it's that irritating guy.
I don't know why are we not able to kill that dumb.
Oh, I killed him.
Let's go, girl.
I love my ball. It's kind of good.
Mimi, holy
The ball does 50
yippity.
damage.
I know, yippity yip. You to be yipping girl and try to play for once.
I literally.
Because you're a holy yippitron girl. Because that's what you only know. Yeah.
Okay, why is he trying to use katana against a crossbow?
And he knows he can't.
Help!
Oh my god, can this guy is strong? I got him again. I stole your game. Ah!
Yeah, I'm not gonna help you. I'm gonna lose. Yeah.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Ouch. Bad girl.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, yo.
Bro, why are you so sus?
Why not?
Why do you have to be so sussy? Okay, can this guy stop?
No, don't steal my kill. Let's go. I got him.
Oh, you like to interfere when people are killing other people. You know? You don't? Or you do? You do or you don't? Okay, this guy is just spamming his knife. He cannot even do a headshot. Run, drag him to the spaceship, man.
That's what I'm trying. Yay! My subspace did it.
Wait, why is the
Sudden death.
name Aradhya, but it is a boy avatar?
Why not?
Like, I think Aradhya is a girl name.
Oof, you think it is? Dumb.
It is a girl name, I don't think.
Your name is Aradhya, right?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is, dumb bro.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is.
Bro, it's not. It's not my name. It's this girl. Oh, thank goodness. I got the kill. Why do these guys are teaming only? Yeah, kill.
Bruh.
Now use your dagger and spam them. Spam, yeah.
Bro, we won.
Oh yeah, I got one. Yeah, I'm gonna get a 2 streak. I was a winner.
Bro, I did 9 eliminations. You did 5 only.
Shut up.
Rematch again. Let's do it.
Who's the one guy who didn't do rematch?
You.
I did. Okay, you gonna try to kill it. Oh, the other guy got unranked. Wow.
Hey, Crossroads.
Crossroads is our map.
Everyone loves Crossroads. Bro.
I can't let you do that. Please.
Ban the sniper.
Please.
They banned Shorty. We have sniper.
No, my best. No, I miss you, Shorty. No.
Sounds sus.
You sus guy.
I'm a sussy baka.
Wow, you just called yourself an idiot.
But I am.
You're a sus idiot.
Thanks.
Oh wow, thanks. This guy is gonna get.
I snapped him in the air. I shooted him in mid-air headshot.
Yo, what's that? Do you have the double jump?
Yes, sir.
Do double jump. Do
I
double
just
jump.
did. Guys, she's so dumb. Her IQ 21. She don't know how to climb the crane in Roblox Rivals.
Well, I think I have more IQ in studies and you have more IQ in games.
No, you do not.
Yes, I do.
Bruh, I'm dying.
I can see that. I'm sight here. Oh, hi, guy.
Bruh, yo, bro. Bruh. Bruh, you're kind of trash. You're trash. You're
Bro, one
trash.
guy was full health and the other guy was also almost full health.
No.
I think they're trying to get revenge, but we cannot let that happen.
Yo, go.
Okay, we can let Oh, they're down.
I got one.
But you died also.
No, I did not. I have 72 health.
Okay. Oh, wow, he did.
Guys, not
katana
gonna lie,
at the
she's
wrong-
kind of dumb. Her IQ 21.
Yeah.
She eat the wonton fat like a Kim Jong.
What the hell?
Hell.
Bro, you're fatter than me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Yeah, I just roasted him. Yo.
No, you did not.
Yo, I did. Okay, this guy came in, invaded. You cannot come here. This is only our property. Okay.
I was sniping him from here.
Yeah, I killed him first.
Holy Apatron.
Holy happy yo! I'm sorry.
Guys, I just. She hit me and then I just. He's coming.
Okay, run up. Run up.
He is up. Down.
Oh, wait, run down. Run down. Oh, he came down because I was down.
Bruh, I died. Let's go. He's over there. Can't you see him? Bruh, you're using auto aim, still not able to headshot that one
Bro,
single guy.
that guy vanished. Where is he?
Somewhere in the universe.
Oh, I know. He's down there in the greeny part and he's going to come from here. I predicted it.
Let's go, girl. You're kind of trash, but who cares?
Yo. Yo,
Bruh,
guys. What's up? Today?
something in the universe. Oof. Emotional damage.
This guy loves to.
Oh, you were dead. I thought that was a human.
बाय गाइस हम डांस करने जा रहे हैं
Hey! Where did
डांस तो मांगो ना
Where is Sundar?
Somewhere in the universe.
Okay, I'm gonna find.
I died. Oh no. Guys, she literally went to get thumbs up. Get one for me too. Guys, I'm on mute right now, but I think so I should make her lose. Shreya, I got one, bruh. Shreya, kill him, bro. You're so low. Of course, you had to die.
Bro, I was talking. Sorry, your mama. Your mom.
And where's the thumbs up?
She's saying she'll give because they. Wait, you'll also drink it, but we have to share them.
Bruh,
This guy.
I got katana'd.
This guy used to love katana.
Used to know, he still does.
Okay, done.
Yo, thanks.
I killed the katana guy. It made me rage.
He's over there.
I can see that.
Done. Shoot him.
Okay, one more, and I'm go. Yay!
Good
We
girl,
won.
clock it, girl,
This
clock
was
it.
our third win streak. I got snowman charm for all weapons. Yay!
I am promoted to bronze 3. But I need 600 now. Please help me get 600 hello today. Then I would have
I only
silver.
need a bit more, and I'll go to bronze 2.
Bro, I'm about to get silver now.
Oh, I'll help you. But you also have to help me then. Okay?
We have station.
Okay, it's okay. I like station kind of.
Who did that?
You did that.
I did not.
I did energy rifle.
About that girl, I did
And
not.
you're the one who did sniper.
Cause I hate it. Cause I hate it.
You hate it.
I hate it.
You
I
hate.
hate
Okay,
it,
I'm gonna
bro.
have to
I
use
hate
AR.
it.
I'm gonna use AR.
I hate it. I hate it.
Okay,
I hate
which
it.
are you going to use?
RPG. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
It's hot in here.
Hey yo,
Bro, where's the fan?
somewhere in the universe,
Get off.
I'm using my energy. Yeah, do this. Bro, I'm literally bronze 3. You're kinda trash. I'm about to die. I died. Bro, I'm lagging. I'm lagging so bad. I'm lagging so bad. I have the recording, bro.
Okay, what should I do? Should I take these people?
Yeah, what else? Bro, how many times would this how many times would this naked bacon and that try hard would come? We are fighting them since a long time.
Yo. Bro!
You weren't able to even find them.
Okay, the RPG is good.
Holy Apatron. Guys, not gonna lie, she's kinda mad.
Okay, I saw him. I'm gonna run.
Then kill him. What are you gonna do by seeing him? Kill him.
Run. I'm gonna run away. Because he's running away. Holy Apatron. Kill him.
Bro, this assault rifle sweat.
Where is the other guy?
Somewhere in the
Bro,
universe.
tell me.
I can't. Bro, there. He went inside.
Oh, he went inside. Okay. Time to kill this guy. And he went outside us. Time to kill. Time to kill.
This guy. Oof.
Okay, that was a good shot. I did headshot. And he was looking somewhere else.
Oh my god, I have 0 damage, guys. I'm such a pro. I'm carrying the whole game right now.
I know, right?
Look, exactly. I have 0 damage. I'm carrying the game, bro.
Wait, you have 0 damage.
Yeah.
And I have like 300 damage.
Holy Apatron guard.
I have 300 damage.
You have 400.
Why?
Why not?
Why do I have 400? 150 plus 150 equals 300. Okay, what was that thing?
I assisted you.
No, yeah.
He's down there.
I know I didn't see that. Okay, the RPG is good. I like it. Where is the guy?
Somewhere in the universe.
Okay, that is a boring light now.
Or that is a irritating one.
Both. Okay, where is this guy?
Somewhere in the universe. Bro, what?
Bro, please tell me. I'm gonna have to find him. You know my energy is at 6-9.
Get 2 damage.
My footsteps sound so weird. Okay, I hear glass breaking. That means he must be somewhere around.
Oh my god, guys, she's a noob.
How am I a noob?
Somehow.
Oh, I see him. And he's dead! Oh, he blocked it. Oh, no! Get out of here!
Take the.
This guy, how did
Ouch.
he... Oh, sorry. You!
Stinkers.
You stink.
Thank you. Sounds like a compliment.
That is not a compliment.
I mean, it is for me, huh?
Hey, yo! Yeah, you're too soft.
Again, a compliment. Thanks. Why you did it?
You do not know how to use RPG. Are you using energy pastels? Yes, kill these guys. Like it's World War II. or World War 3. Yay! Okay, where's the other guy? You're trying to recreate the oof song. Let me help you. Oof!
Bro, where is
This AR spammer. Well, AR is for spamming, but why?
Why not?
Why this guy's gonna kill me?
Let me just do this.
Let me just do this one.
Let me just do this. And then, oi, come here. Oh my god.
Okay, kill one person.
What? 50. Bro, I killed.
I stole your
killed.
skill. It's written eliminated, so I stole it.
Me. Holy Apatron guy.
Okay, we are actually kind of catching up.
Holy Apatron
Why is every round only like 20?
Why not?
L or something. Okay, this guy went out of the map. I just saw him die.
Isn't that a nice thing? I got them.
Yeah. Why do these guys not use RPG when
Why
they?
not?
I think they don't have it.
Mm.
Okay, I'm gonna go up. No, it does not allow me to run. You could have just used your daggers. You were so down. And I am. Wow, of course it didn't do long range. Oh wait, it did. I killed him!
No, he fell down.
Who is doing all this? Spamming.
I got him low. He's very low. He's one shot. Get him.
Where is he?
Somewhere in the universe.
Okay, if you have to tell me or else we are going to...
I can't even see, bro.
What if we just decide to come from somewhere and then I'll die?
What if it happened to you, bro?
Bro, I was literally shooting in the window and he just appeared.
What if it was you? I would think, what if it happened to you on a different day where the brain wasn't there and the rain on the way? And what if you, bro, I have
Yeah.
or the neighbor, she where the little kids play.
Yeah,
And the
your voice is
angels
kinda
spread on the snow on the way.
not
When
good.
you were alone, there were kids in the car. What if you were alone? I would know that you can't anything, but you know how to survive. You're alive, you're alive, you're alive. But I just died. I'm not.
How?
Okay, it's a sudden death.
No, we have to win. How did I? Okay, one thing I
Knock
hate
him,
about
guys.
RPG is that it does not reload fast.
Holy Yapatron.
No, I was not.
If
supposed
we. Oof. RPG is like. RPG is like grenade launcher, but it just. Oof.
Yay!
I killed him.
I killed one guy. You killed one guy. Yeah, we won. We won. I got promoted to second rank.
I am bronze 3.
Yeah, I got promoted to second rank.
Now I need 600 elo to get silver 1. But I guess, guys, it's enough for today. So, bye.
Bye, guys.